This kind of moisturizing leave-in conditioner is what your hair needs. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this moisturizing leave-in conditioner and use on your hair. Watch it grow strong, thick, and healthy. So keep watching. So to prepare this, we will be needing a couple of ingredients, and the first ingredient we will be starting with is some powders. Here I have some powders I will be using, and here with me we will start with moringa powder. Moringa is beneficial for our hair when it comes to increasing hair thickness and strengthening our hair. I have been using this for in most of my videos. You guys know that if you're not new here. So I'm going to be adding a few tablespoons, like 2. You can also use any quantity. So I'm just using 2, and then I will keep it aside. We also have our second ingredient, which is stinging nettle powder or stinging nettle. Also, stinging nettle is another amazing and powerful ingredient. I have been using this. I can say like I have been using it like several times. I have used this, and this has really helped me to grow my hair. It contains the HT blocker, which helps to block the formation of the DHT hormone, which causes hair loss. So I added 1 tablespoon. So the reason why I added 1 tablespoon is because stinging nettle is concentrated and it is very greeny. So even if I add 1 or even half is okay. So here I have a mixture of rosemary and fenugreek. I blend them together, and that's the powder I added, also 1 tablespoon. And now I'm mixing them together. Once I'm done mixing them, I'm going to be adding oil of my choice. So this is my herbal oil mixture I will be using. Just use any oil of your choice. If you have herbal oil mixture, or if you have any oil of your choice, feel free to use it. So I'm adding any amount as I stir the mixture. So now I'm going to transfer some water to a pan, and I will put it in the stove, allow it to boil, and once it boils, now it's the time to transfer our oil mixture. So I will continue to stir this for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I used this plastic bowl, but if you have heat resistant glass jar, you can use instead of plastic. And I went ahead and allowed the oil to cool down after heating, and now I'm going to be straining out the oil. So I hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point, and if so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video to your loved ones. In this channel, I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. So now I'm going to squeeze out all the oil. I'm going to apply pressure here. Just use anything with very tiny holes. Use a cheesecloth, a piece of cloth, or anything that you have, and strain out your oil. Now this is how our oil is looking like. Although it has some particles, remember we used powders, so there's no problem with that. So now it's the preparation of our leave-in conditioner, and I will be using this leave-in conditioner or leave-in cream. Feel free to use any conditioner of your choice. Use a leave-in conditioner or leave-in cream. So I'm using this, I'm just scooping it and pouring it to this separate bowl here. So after transferring everything to the bowl, now it's the time to add oil. I'll be adding this small by small as I mix. So I'm going to keep adding the oil small by small as I mix them together again until I get a desired consistency. Just use any amount of oil until you get your desired consistency. After mixing everything together, this is now our leave-in conditioner. This is the kind of consistency I was looking for. Just look how amazing, light, shiny, and soft it is. So this is the trick I have been using. I have been adding oil to my leave-in conditioners, and lately my hair has been growing beautifully, and also there is a change in moisture balance. My hair is soft as compared to before. So adding oil to your leave-in conditioner is going to add more benefits because leave-in conditioners don't have enough oil. So now I'm going to be using a well clean and sterilized jar to transfer this. I'll use this for a few months before it gets finished. Make sure the jar you are using is well sterilized. So using this on your hair at least 2 to 3 times a week or anytime your hair feels dry is going to change everything. So now I'm going to cover it and I will store it and use it whenever my hair feels like dry. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. I will see you in the next video. Bye.